Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabil Hazim by SHAFIE. The topic chosen by our group is issue and resolution related to Ar-Rahn product. This type of short-term microfinance has become a potential business since the introduction in Malaysia of Islamic pawnbroking Ar-Rahn more than 2 decades ago, namely in 1992. With the introduction of this product, it has given many positive impact to the country finance. People with low income, especially at this pandemic, to make sure they can run a small business to cover their life. A number of factors led to increasing demand for Ar-Rahn product. Among these are inexpensive storage charge, service efficiency, religious aspect, attitude, and the others. Therefore, Ar-Rahn must be done in accordance with the Sharia principle as well as Islamic business, while process transaction must be transparent, free from ambiguity and riba element. Hence, the purpose of this study is to identify the issue related to the implementation of Ar-Rahn in terms of auction, working capital, profit rate, unredeemed item status, and its resolution based on Sharia. According to the Jumhur Ulama, which consists of the Maliki, Shafi'i and Hanbali school, there are 4 pillars in Ar-Rahn: Sigah, Ijab and Qabul. The word Ijab is the word to give a mortgage, while Qabul is called the word to accept a mortgage. 2 people who have a contract, namely the pawnbroker Rahin and the mortgagee Murtahin. It is required that both must be sane, probity, rush, ingenious, and not blocked by Qadi. And the third, precious item, especially gold or al-marhun. And the last, the debt that is the cause of the mortgage is al-marhum bi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will presenting about the objective of our final year project. So first of all, the main objective of this project, we want to explain what is Ar-Rahn product in a complex way. So which is we will explain what is Ar-Rahn product according to the Sharia, and then is that the product of Ar-Rahn is clearly free from riba, which is we know that is prohibited in Islam. Then the second objective is we want to determine the issue related to Ar-Rahn. In this project, there were a lot of issue regarding to the product, and we focus more to the issue during the implementation of the product. And then the third objective is we want to prove that Ar-Rahn is really can help the economy of our country and our society, which is in this project we will explain how this Islamic product can help the economy and society in terms of financial. And then the last one is we want to find out the solution to each issue that we stated related to the Ar-Rahn. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AIMAN bin Muhammad ROZMI and my matric number is 054543. Now I will continue to present our slide, which is literature review about our topic. Okay, firstly, the attractiveness of Islamic pawnbroking. Islamic microloan facility based on Ar-Rahn are becoming increasingly popular among Islamic financial institutions in Malaysia. This is because Islamic pawn shop are more convenient for customer than banking institution because they have bad credit. Okay, then we go through to the concept and principle of Ar-Rahn. Ar-Rahn is an Islamic pawn shop in Malaysia. Essentially fulfill the same function as a conventional pawnbroker. The only distinction is that Ar-Rahn is an Islamic-based company that run and offer funding. Then Ar-Rahn is a way of supplying fund to a person who pawn his or her jewellery to a pawn shop or bank as collateral. The Malaysian government established an Islamic pawnbroking service that Muslim can use to obtain immediate cash or fund. In terms of Sharia, the practice of Ar-Rahn is possible because this is due to the fact that this substance was already in use and widely recognized in Islam during the time of Prophet Muhammad. Other than that, Ar-Rahn also secure and promote safekeeping insurance as a microcredit instrument by providing insurance coverage for the pawn object. In context of Ar-Rahn, it have 4 contracts, which is Qad al-Hasan, al-Wadiyah Yad-Damanah, Ar-Rahn, and lastly al-Ujrah. Qad al-Hasan, which refer to a form of unrestricted loan that can assist fellow Muslim brothers in need of funds, particularly during difficult times such as in our situation right now. Many were affected by the pandemic COVID-19. The main goal of Qad are to help needy people, to improve relationship between the rich and the poor, to mobilize wealth among the people in society. Then al-Wadiyah Yad-Damanah means security with assurance. This is a transaction between the depositor and the custodian or the bank to ensure that the items or money are secure. In this circumstance, banks guarantee to secure keeping of item or money and object to the bank process. And third is Ar-Rahn. In Islam, Ar-Rahn refer to a valuable item used as collateral for a secured financing that can be paid to it if the loan is not paid within the specific time frame. Ar-Rahn exclusively accept gold as collateral for financing in Malaysia. And lastly, al-Ujrah. Al-Ujrah is a payment of fee that workers receive as long as they perform their duties. According to Islamic law, the payment of the fee must be made when the work has been completed. Okay, as a result, the Ar-Rahn system differs significantly from the conventional pawn shop and is free of usury. Thank you.
The most recent topic in Ar-Rahn is auction. According to Ms. Nur Mastura, Bank Rakyat will not auction or sell their customers' marhun arbitrarily. However, Bank Rakyat deserve the right to take any legal action, including to auction or sell the marhun of their customers if the customer fails to pay the sale price at the agreed time, the customer fails and or default to pay the financing amount and profits according to the method of payment. Next, the current marhun value is less than the balance of the sale price and the customer fails to settle the total difference within 14 days from the date of the notice of claim by Bank Rakyat. The customer engaged in any illegal activity. Next, there are claims from any party against marhun. The customer is confirmed dead or insane. Bank Rakyat's periodic review found that marhun's authenticity differed from marhun's evidence, which result in marhun's devaluation. In addition, Bank Rakyat also will call and give a notice to the customers to inform and discuss about the auction of customers' marhun. So, the auction or sale of the marhun did not happen suddenly and it is must to inform to their customer. Next is gold counterfeiting. Gold counterfeiting is the issues often arising in Ar-Rahn. For your information, to overcome the issue of counterfeit gold, Ar-Rahn has provided machine that test the authenticity of the gold such as X-ray fluorescence in order to prevent the acceptance of counterfeit gold. Customer who try to cheat by giving fake gold, Bank Rakyat will take action with a photocopy of the customer's identity card and make a police report for further action. Furthermore, the provisions of certain acts can be used by the government to take proactive measures to address the issue of gold fraud. Pawnbroker who is caught pawning or cheating counterfeit gold can be prosecuted and further action taken. Therefore, the government must take steps to address these issues, such as increasing public awareness of consumers' rights and identifying counterfeit gold. Moreover, efforts to establish a gold analysis center are a good idea for detecting the entry of counterfeit gold into the country.
Hi, my name is AZRIE, so I will continue for discussion. So the issue arises such as compliance status of Ar-Rahn product. For your information, Sharia Advisory Council has structured and decided that the use of Tawarruk and Rahn contract for Ar-Rahn product compliant with Sharia requirement. Next, unredeemed item status. If the auction pawn item has balance, it will be returned to the customer by cash, check or directly deposit to customer saving account. Besides, bank also will dispose unredeemed item according to Pawnbroker Act 1972. The next issue is about working capital. We had 3 key elements that should be followed. First, creating an environment that regulated. Second, avoid taking too many risks. And third, designing on product to obtain alternative financial resource. Lastly is about profit rate using Ar-Rahn. So, as we can see, this table are profit rate that Bank Rakyat take using Ar-Rahn.
At the conclusion, all the issues related to this product have been resolved. The role of industry in government, cooperation must be mobilized in an integrated way to ensure the continuity of the industry in Ar-Rahn. Ar-Rahn was to be operating in non-bank institutions such as Post Laju should be in this new era, since many people still live a little distance from the urbanization in the areas. This product brings many benefits to the society and the country in the aspect of life and economy. That's all from us. Thank you.